So I brought the truck so I can cruise. I left the Dreamsicle home. Well, wouldn't you know it? Look, you see that sticker? Hold on. The damn truck got a designer dozen pick. All right, so we're at the show. Hi, Bob.
Hi.
And we're having a driver's meeting at 11 o'clock and narrow things down. Just want to say, so far, the Syracuse show, there's a rusty bumper right out there. So far, the Syracuse show is amazing. Took us about 7 hours to get up here. We blew a trailer tire on Mikey's trailer, as I said. And 2 minutes, we NASCAR pit crewed that thing, and it was done. So far, this is an amazing show. It's early day 2. Oh, yep, cool. Stick around, man. Hopefully we pull something out. There it is. So here's our lineup. We got another patina'd up truck. Got Jeremy from home. There's the old rusty bumper. We got a Scout. This is just the truck section. So, pretty cool. Good morning. These are also, so let me explain to you. It's 120 was picked and from different categories, and then we all get knocked down to categories, and some of these cars go, maybe us, we never know, and then some stay. So like I said, it's just an honor to be nominated. Out of 9,000 cars here, 120 was picked for this group, and the rusty bumper is in it. So all right, let's look around some of these cars. Unique there. '55 Nomad, sweet. I don't know if they're part of this, but they're nice. This is some of the 120. There's a whole deuce category. We got a very unique Volkswagen right there. Very nice, very nice. And this badass thing right here, look at this. That was at the York show. So yeah, very cool. Alrighty, I'll keep you posted as the day goes on. Alright guys, here you have creativeridingcustoms.com. Look them up. Look at this truck, it's amazing. So they were part of the group that got to pick some of the 120. They did pick us, so I do appreciate that. And look at this, oh my God, what an amazing vehicle. Awesome build, it's a 67, 68. So they're doing great work. So thanks a lot, guys. And yeah, look them up. Creative Ride and Custom.
So that's worked there. So this sort of transparency has so far worked here. And I appreciate everybody's participation and understanding. And like I said,
that's awesome. Bringing in the muscle. Got a pretty little deuce right there. Look at that. I was speaking to that gentleman this morning. Pretty cool. So since this show is in Syracuse, New York, we're right up close to the Canadian border. So we get a lot of cars coming down from Canada, which is so cool. These guys run the streets of Canada, and then here they are running the streets down here. about this thing over here? Bart. See, ain't that pretty? That's what the rusty bumper could look like, but I'm not. What a difference a day makes. So this is Sunday, and all this spot was covered with cars. All that was covered with cars. All them streets over there were covered with cars. So, I mean, there's still more cars here than any other car show that I go to normally, but holy smoke, from 9 to 10,000 down to what it is today is kind of weird. So, what a great show though. We are in a winner's circle. These are all the winners from the weekend, which is crazy because 9,000 cars, and these guys are the standouts. Pretty cool, great honors. There's Bobby and Tracy. Just so happened they just walked up. These bubbles.
Okay.
That's cool.
So here's supposed to be good for dozens. Yeah. Because there's a Cadillac.
So all these are the winners that I'm showing. Jeff and Mike enjoying the final day of this. The girls. Last day, heading out in the old truck. What a great time, huh?
It's an awesome time.
If you guys get a chance, you need to come to this one. All right?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
All right, guys. Once again, thanks for watching. I had such a great time doing these, this show, and these two videos. I hope you enjoyed them. Hit that sub button, hit that like button, share this video with some of your friends that may be thinking about going. Maybe to encourage them to go, because I'm telling you, this is a bucket list show. And I think if you're a car person, you should do this show. So share this video, encourage your friends to try it out. So enjoy some of these random pictures that I've taken, and we will see you in the next video. Look for the one previous to this one too. That was the first day, and yeah, it's just as good. I mean, both of them should be just about equal. But anyway, thanks guys. We'll see you.